Our weekend adventure leads us to Breaks Interstate Park, often called the Grand Canyon of the South. The landscape is breathtaking, with dramatic cliffs and winding trails that beg to be explored. But not long after the hike began, one by one, my camera batteries started to die, and since we'd left the Jeep behind for this trip, I had no backups with me. A classic rookie move that turned a scenic outing into an unexpected challenge. While zip lines and longer hikes are available, we opted for shorter, more direct trails leading to the park's popular scenic overlooks. The added bonus was the short drive between trailheads, giving us a chance to rest and hopefully coax a little life back into the dying camera batteries.
Well, that's getting edited out.
Still getting used to the scuttle. The Timbo tusk is nice, but it gets hot. So a little camping hack I have is to put eggs in a jug, and I mark them off at the 2 egg mark. So I put 2 eggs, put a mark, put 2 more, put a mark, and it'll hold a dozen eggs. And they're all shaken up and pour in what you need. Amen. Today I decided to return to the Breaks, this time armed with fresh batteries and plenty of spares. The park is far too beautiful not to capture a little more footage of the incredible trails and overlooks. All right, we are back at the Breaks Interstate Park in Virginia. We were here a few days ago with the wife and kid, but all my batteries died. So while they went into town looking for wedding dresses, I decided to come back out here and get a little extra footage. So thanks for coming with me. I was trying to figure out why this is called the Breaks, and I think this makes sense. The name Breaks was derived from the break in the Pine Mountain created by the Russell Fork of the Big Sandy River as it carved a 1,000-foot deep gorge on its way to join the Ohio River. Nature provides a way. Transportation was made easier in this area of narrow, winding hollows and steep mountains when man took advantage of the natural breach in the Pine Mountain to meet his needs. The best route into this coal-rich land was through the Breaks Canyon, and the tracks of the Clinchfield Railroad were laid in 1915 at the bottom of the gorge on a natural bench just above the stream level. Pinnacle Rock Overlook. Sure beats looking at cornfields. We're at the point where the leaves are just starting to change. Give this another couple weeks to a month and this will be absolutely stunning. It is time to install our next badge. First thing you need to do, go someplace amazing, such as the Breaks Interstate Park. Then you peel off the back of your All Roads Taken badge and apply it. As the sun dipped behind the ridges, I packed up my gear feeling recharged, both the batteries and my own sense of adventure. Breaks Interstate Park delivered everything I hoped for: stunning views, quiet trails, and a reminder that even the best planned trips come with surprises. Next up, we'll trade hiking boots for a little mud and throttle as we head to West Virginia's Hatfield-McCoy Trail System at Bear Wallow, where the real off-road fun begins.